Kia Stinger, 2.0 petrol and 2.2 diesel, GT. The 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6, which Kia launched first and which we greatly like, makes 370 bhp, though to be honest it doesn't feel like it because the whole car's a bit weighty. The petrol turbo 2.0-liter is 255 bhp, and the diesel turbo 2.2-liter is 200 bhp. The 0-62 staircase goes like this: 5.1 seconds, 6.0 seconds and 7.7 seconds all are RWD and have an 8-speed auto. Petrol 2.0 first. It might be a poor relation to the V6, but it's far from destitute. In fact, the engine has quite a zingy, revvy character, and still feels decently lively. The auto box doesn't help a lot. In eco and comfort modes it does its best to muzzle the life out of the engine. Under lightish throttle it changes up well below 2000 revolutions per minute, eliciting a diesely rumble through the bulkhead. But you needn't put up with that. Use more throttle, or switch to sport mode, or keep active with the pedals. Then you can bend it to your will. At least until it shifts up of its own volition. This isn't a true manual mode. It also defaults to auto after a few seconds when you don't shift. Boo. Into its stride, the engine doesn't lag much, and stays reasonably smooth as the revs climb towards the red.